we're back. So Leo's not coming. So we have Pingu and Blind shows. We have Pingu shows. So we're gonna show you all my mom's birthday presents. First we have baby parrots. Chloe, she's so crazy. She's like me. And she's like Leo.
Yes, I'm playing Minecraft.
So I like it if the birds fly because they can fly now. And
It is
birthday, it had like a tiny tail, but they have a big tail now. So
We can fly in so bad
I got it from the mail, and it's a minion case. It fits in iPhones only and iPod Touch. But you have to put it in iPhones. The two eyes are for iPods.
And the one eye is
So we have this. I always got it in my birthday, so bye. Oh, I forgot to show you one of those baby birds, but little. They're baby parrots, I mean. They're baby parrots. Only baby parrots. Well, I'm going to show you them. Look, see them? See it? See?
the putty.
Now we have another one. The fat guy is Chewy and the flat guy is Chloe. Look at it.
Hi, Joe. There's putty.
Oh, I like it. They're baby parrots. So, let's go say goodbye to everyone else.
Yay.